Hi folks and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set a music file as a notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A15. First step, download the desired music file on your phone. It must be MP3 format. Step 2, tap on Samsung folder, tap on My Files. Then tap on Download folder. Touch and hold the music file that you want to set as the notification sound, and copy the song on Notifications folder. Go back to internal storage. Tap Essentials and select All to see all folders. Select the Notifications folder. Tap Copy here. Your song or music file is in Notification folder now. Now go back, enter the Settings menu. Tap on Sound and Vibration, and tap on Notification Sound. You will see the copied music file on the list of notification sound, and you can now set it as a notification sound. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.